Hey guys, so I came across this really cool new AI tool called Short AI, and it's basically a way for you to make your content creation when it comes to shorts and even long videos more diverse. If you want to be able to automatically create more content in minutes that isn't just all AI generated, but could be content that you write that is generated as a video in AI. So what I did for this fun test is I actually took someone who I'm connected with on LinkedIn. I took their post and then turned it into an AI generated video as a fun example of how this can take your content creation and multiply not only the output, but also create some versatility in how you're producing your content. Here is a fun demonstration of exactly how I took his post and turned it into a video using Short AI.
Great customer service doesn't start with scripts or policies. It starts with employees who feel valued. Too many businesses expect top-tier service while treating employees like tools, not humans. Here's 7 steps to fix that. Step 1 is employee well-being creates a better customer experience. Stop thinking, just do your job. Start asking, how can we support you in doing your best work? Step 2 is training and growth leads to ownership and engagement. Stop saying, figure it out yourself. Start creating, here's training to help you grow. Let's succeed together. Step 3 is recognizing effort leads to increased motivation. Stop thinking, no news is good news. Start saying, your hard work is noticed and appreciated. Step 4 is psychological safety produces better problem solving. Stop saying, don't make mistakes. Instead, cultivate an environment to learn, improve, and share ideas without fear. Step 5 is work-life balance produces higher productivity. Stop perpetuating the 24/7 hustle culture. Start recognizing rested employees perform better and stay longer. Step 6 is empathy and emotional intelligence builds stronger teams. Stop pretending people can leave emotions out of work. Start embracing that emotional intelligence drives better teamwork and leadership. Step 7 is rewards and appreciation. Create a culture of employee loyalty. Stop thinking someone just needs to be grateful they have a job. Start saying, we appreciate your work and want to reward your contributions. When employees feel respected, trained, and valued, they show up with energy, care, and commitment. That's how great customer service happens from the inside out. Tell me about an experience with your current or old employer. Let me know. I want to learn from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments.
I created a full tutorial on Short AI where I walk you through all the different things that you can do with Short AI because there's actually quite a few options. So there's too much to go into on this short video. So if you want to check it out for yourself, the link is somewhere around here. I'll see you there.